We are on run number 5 of this Eden hard mode streak, so let's see what we're working with to start here. I'm probably just doing one or two runs here before bedtime. It's getting pretty late. It's quarter after midnight for me, and I just wanted to get possibly another run or two in before sleeping. We have Curse of the Maze, we have a decent active item, which I suck at using. We have a almost useless passive item, but you know, whatever. Almost useless, but not totally useless. What's up, Ed? Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. I'm back. Hope you're having a...
Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Oh god, I missed that so much. Hi, Aaron. Don't do that to me. I've been taking damage on those guys so much lately. Hi, Aaron. You're up late. What are you doing up so late? Playing video games? Like the nerd you are. Look at this guy. Hey, Welly boy. How you doing? What's up, man? Good to see you.
Speed.
I'm just chilling over here, you know, doing my thing on Twitch. How's life been treating you? I always look out for you while I'm out doing my deliveries and stuff. In case I see ya. Yeah, boy. Playing League of Legends, I assume. Hope your matches, is that what they call them? Hope your matches are going well. Or whatever they are. That's how much of a noob I am. I don't even know what to call the League of Legends games. I guess we just go do the fight then. That's fine with me, I suppose. Oh god, Ragman. God bless America. This fight sucks on the first floor. With low damage. Ah. It's focusing time. Bro, get him, get him. You do not have time for this. Just 2 of them at one time? That's bull crap. Bull crap. Oh my god. And I have no bombs. Bruh! I'm pissed. Go get him, Bird. Bird. Go, 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 go. Why are you not going? Go. You kill him, I'll take the one down here. Go get the main guy. Yeah. Go sit on his face. There you go. There we go. Oh. Life is good. Hope you're well. We need to get poker back up in the winter. Dude, I really have been thinking about that a lot lately. I miss it. I love playing. I love dealing for you guys or playing with you guys or whatever it is. I enjoy it a lot. The precious tater tot, she is sleeping. We read 50 pages of the BFG and then we went to bed. We're kind of, I think Ella just really loves Roald Dahl books because she loved James and the Giant Peach, and she is loving BFG now. Though I think it does kind of scare her a little bit. But yeah, we read some serious... I told her we could read extra, and tonight, since it's the weekend and she can stay up a little bit later, I let her stay up later, and then we just read for about an hour and a half or something like that. So it was great. Yeah, 50 pages. Just a game. This is just for Shale, and we're not going Shale, so I think it's probably best to take in a trinket that might actually do something beneficial for us. Son of a bee. This game's so stressful. Why do I play it? I need to use my active item. I suck at this active item. Dude, this room rocks. Yeah, let's get rid of these spiders first, I guess. Give her a big hug for me when she's awake next time. I will. Whoa. Whoa, can that thing like just not hurt me at all? Wow. Interesting. Oh my gosh. And a hair tussle? Okay. Alright, will do. I do that all the time anyway. Ah! My goodness. Wow. What an event that room was. Next. This one hopefully won't be as bad. Ugh. It's amazing how much under 3, how much I can feel sub 3 damage. It is pretty, it's always worse than I think it will be. Ah. No rewards, but I shall definitely go in here. Do I prefer that to this? Slows down enemies for 8 seconds. It might be crazy, but I think I do prefer this. Yeah. That might be an unpopular opinion. Rah, 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 rah. No, you're not going to steal it from me, and you're not going to make me use my active item. Haha! But I will use it now. I feel like I could have made the super secret, possibly opened up the super secret down below me, but oh well. If it is there. Oh, that's the ghosty. Watch out! Get out of here. Dang. This floor sucks. Yay, now I can fall asleep with your voice like a creep. Hey, whatever floats your boat, creep. Hi, Alyssa. I hope you fall asleep soon. I guess I'll go in the shop. I guess a bomb would be good. I could buy the bomb the just do it. Yes, that is good. That is nice. Still not enough money for that. Let's buy this. Okay, there's another bomb. That is good. Now we can bomb the machine, or we can open up the machine and then use coins, or is it best to just bomb the machine? I'm gonna say it's probably just best to bomb the machine because we're probably not gonna get enough coins. 3 wins going strong. That's right, we are. And now we have Gemini too, which is perfect because Alyssa just got here and she's a Gemini. A Gemini. Was there another thing to buy? Hold on a second. What else is in here? There's a battery, I know. A card. I'm gonna go ahead and buy a card. An Emperor card. Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna try real hard to fall asleep, but the girls are being loud as fudge in the... Yeah, I'm not surprised. I mean, it is a party after all. What do you expect? Watch out. He's coming up. He's coming up here. Dang it, I missed. There we go. There we go. That was right on, baby. Let's go ahead and slow this mofo down. Ah! And get Gemini up in here. Get him. Yeah, this active item was definitely the right choice for my life. Okay. Ooh, and a bone heart. We're not going in the devil deal because... Because reasons. Good reasons, too. You know what I'm realizing is I could have bought the bomb in the shop and then come over here and bombed these 2 bombs out of there. And I failed to do that. But we will go there. Dang it! That's fine, it's fine. At least we still have our bone heart after this. Alright. I guess I fricked up a little bit on this floor. But that's okay. Fricking up is just part of life. Everybody fricks up. I frick up. Alyssa fricks up. Boz fricks up, I'm sure. Hypothetically, at least. A safe distance, please. Social distancing. Ah. You don't frick up, it's just happy little accidents. Or not even accidents. You don't make any mistakes. That's fake news. I'm a perfect being who never fricks up. Wow, that makes 2 of you. I wonder what that's like to be perfect and all. Must be nice. Does it ever get exhausting being so perfect? The lack of fricking up and all? Could I have a red heart? Please. Please and thank you. Gonna try and fall asleep now. Good night. Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Oh, that was scary. Yes, health. Delicious health. I need it. To protect my bone heart. And I think when you lose a bone heart... Hey, 5 bombs, that's nice. I think when you lose the bone heart, you lose the devil deal. Or like your... Well, in this case, angel deal chance would go way down. I believe that's a true. But it might be a false. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't step on those. Pretty sure it's that way? Okay, good. That is a good way for it to be, I feel. That is a sensible design choice. If you ask me. That hurts my heart. Yes, let's do it this way. Whoa. Down, boy. Bad Jamini. Red heart. No, no red heart. Ah. Why has this gotta be so scary? Trapped in this basement. It's just so scary. Yeah, I'll spend a bomb on this and we'll knock this baby. Wait, let's check this room really quick. Can this be? That cannot be the secret room, so let's just put this down here. Just in case the super secret, if you ask me. Car noises. Hey, I got a heart out of there. I'm proud. I'm proud and happy. I don't have a key, so no shop for me, and I think it's time to do the boss. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. What about this wall? I think this one's free. There it is. Secret room is to the left of the upside down L room, I believe. Ah, you were thinking it was to the left of the upside down L. Yeah, I was thinking it was there too, but the one is, it's blocked, I think. Or it was blocked. I was thinking about that. That was my guess as well. But then we found it here, so at least we got there. But that was a good, it was looking nice, I agree. think we could bomb this and increase our angel deal chance a little bit. I don't have a key, or else I would try to do that to the beggar in the shop. And we do have these bombs. I feel like the secret room, super secret, is right here. If it was, I may not have put that close enough. Okay, health up. Not gonna complain about that. Whoa, scary.
Relax.
And let's try this one out too. I have blow up a guy, more angel deal chance. Totally logical logic. Yeah, that's video game logic for you. It makes sense if you don't think about it too hard. Now I can go in the shop, and with 19 coins, you bet your ass I'm going to. And hopefully there will be something good in there. There is. This is Caves 1. What does Pandora's Box do on Caves 1? Where is that? Oh, a boss. I get a boss item. Okay. A boss item. That's good. I think I'm down with taking that. Okay. Yeah, very nice. And we'll buy that. Buying a key maybe also would be a good play, but I prefer bombs if I have to choose. Maybe spending the last 6 health on that, or 6 coins on that, would be a good idea, but I don't know. But I'm definitely using this magician card in this fight. Yes, yes, yes. I don't love that I'm getting an orbital or a boss item. Please open up, Angel Deal. Please. I bombed the guy. I deleted him from existence for you. Oh no. I'm a terrible. No such luck. That's fine. At least we got another boss item on this floor. Let's go grab the Emperor card and hit the road, Jack. I'm not gonna go back and buy the key. That might be a mistake. That might be a mistake. Horsemen are dumb? Yeah. I do not enjoy fighting the horsemen. I do not really love having cubes of meat instead of other boss items either. I prefer so many of the other boss items to that. But maybe we'll get a meat boy and I'll shut my mouth and be thankful. Don't knock that champion over into me there. What's up, Lilith? How are you doing? Good to see you. Won the level 3 to level 4 meat boy or banished girl, but not 1 or 2. Exactly. Can we just fast forward to the goods? Please. Oh my gosh, I thought I was going to take damage there for sure. Oh boy. I'm liking what this active item is doing for us. It's definitely helpful. So is that 2 parts of conjoined, or I assume farting baby and Abel both count as conjoined? So that could be good. We can get there. I'm good. I kept missing your streams. Well, I've only done 2 streams in the last 4 months, so there's not too much to miss, but I'm glad to see you. A key. A quee. A shop. Double bombs for 7 cents. That's not really You can't pass that up. Hold up, I know broken and stopwatch stack. There's slowdowns, but can you get triple slowdown with this active item? I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't, my guess it would be no, is that you would, it would just be the same amount of slow, but I do not know. You know, it would be kind of curious to see a sped up room, but then slow it down. Would it go exactly normal pace, or would it be a little off, or like a little weirder than that? Who knows? Somebody with more experience than I. Perhaps we'll find out. I think this is a really good guess for the super secret room, actually, because it can't really be that many other places. I'm gonna go ahead and make that, I guess. Okay. Okay. Perhaps we do that. And the regular secret room is right here, I'm sure. And then we could get in the curse room with that, if I can get the bombs. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these, I think. Yeah, there we go. We only lost half a heart to get those. That's pretty good. That's not too much of a sacrifice. Another key is very helpful. I'm not as worried about bombs now, since all of them are going to be doubled from now on with the BOGO bombs. Yes, amazing. Remember, if I remember, I'll check it. The triple slowdown is set up. Slowdown does work. Okay. Speed up and slowdown works. Got it. Okay. We don't need to play that unless we find a lot more health. 2 keys for 1 bomb seems like a good deal. And we'll try to bomb this right here. Oh yeah. Oh my god! That is a wonderful sight for sore eyes. Ah. Oh, that's not a sight for sore eyes though, and we don't have any way to re-roll things. But I will happily take all of these and that. Thank you very much. Goodbye. And we'll get out of here without having to go in that other room again, which I hate. Alright. Now I will play out the machine for some money before we go do the fight. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted to see. We could go play out the other machine too. Oh, I'm loving this speed. So good. Okay. Let us check this shop again. We can re-roll. Spider mod for 7 cents. Is everything on sale in this shop? Oh my gosh, and Dull Razor for the same. But what do we have that Dull Razor is going to be good with? Nothing? I don't think so. So I think we leave that. It can be good with some combinations though. That was a crazy amount of 7 cent. There's 3 7-cent items in a row. I can't even remember that ever happening before. Yeah. We still have to go in this room though. Rah. We're gonna be rich and famous after we play this out. Or maybe just rich. Oh, it spawned the item. Very slowly charges forward. Yeah. I mean, I know what that is. Why am I reading the description? That's really funny. So that was my trinket paying out that item. which is just another reason to always play the blood donation machines. They're so good. And then we can go get deck of cards, which will turn all the pills into cards. And we'll be able to hold 2, which is awesome. I'm a happy camper. There is half a heart up there too, but I'm not sure if I have the patience to go get it. And teleports Isaac. Oh, the ultra secret room. Let's go. Yeah, let's go right now. Let's go. I think. Yeah, let's go. Wishbone does exist. That's what it's called. Wishbone. Yeah, that. A black heart. Wait a second. There won't be any pills around, so I guess this will just be one black heart. There's not going to be any pills. There's only going to be cards. Guess that's fine with me. Cool. Oh yeah, spider mod. I love it. Hey, what's up, Fictitious, by the way? Hello again. Nice to see you again today. Might have been the first time I've ever seen that trinket be paid out. Yeah, I don't remember the last time. I always thought it paid out with a, Oh, I guess we can go bomb things in this room down here. I always thought it paid out with a health up item, but maybe I'm thinking of something else. No more HP. Let's go ahead and blow this up then. A heart. Lunch bag. Is that the one? Does it do the same thing? It's like you have to take damage for it to activate, and then it pops out a pedestal. Okay. So Wishbone is better than that, probably. Believe so. I mean, I like having this item. It's not like the greatest or anything, but it's a little chub. He's doing okay. Slow. Slowly, 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 says the slaw. I like to do things slowly, slowly, slowly. Any treasure room item? Okay, sweet. We got it. We got the angel deal. Be good. Ooh, that is good. Chargeable laser? Hell yeah. Should we do this fight too? Hell yeah, we should. Don't be the red one. Why, God? Why do you hate me, God? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I too can play at that game, baby. Oh, son of a beach, you play better than I do. Light beam on light beam action. Is it gay if his light beam touches my light beam? Is that gay? I hope so. Where is a room to use this in? Let's go use the tower in this room back here. But you have to decide between Wishbone and Lunch Bag. You already know the game is frickin' you. Yeah, exactly. If those are your choices, yeah. I got an HP, yay! Tower, please. X-Rock. Oh, yeah. Another X-Rock. Alright, love it. I guess I'll take this trinket as well, since we got... since that's a thing. Alright, good to go. I'm out of here. Still not picking up that one red HP back there. We could also do this, which I'm going to. Oh, that's alright. We don't need Steam Sale. And we have an angel key piece, so we basically can't lose. Suck on my laser beam. Suck on my laser beam. Oh boy. Well, the game teases you with great items. Classic Isaac, right? Did we take blind items? Yeah, I think so. Pop! I'm okay with it. If I could see that item, I still might... Oh, it makes my light beam pop. Oh, it shortens my light beam? This is bullcrap. Never mind. I want a refund. Do I believe in pop? Not really. I believe in magic. In a young girl's heart. But pop, not so much. I don't know why, but I can't tell when I'm getting hit a lot of the times lately. Like, I know I took damage in that room, but I really didn't. I couldn't tell. It's not about size. It's about how we use it. I mean, I know it makes it very short. I don't like that about it, boss. I like my laser beam to be long and proud. It's not that bad, though. Blind item? I think not. Hard? I think yes. Two of spades? Yes. Yes. Ooh, a black room. We shall carry that as well. I feel like this run is weirdly strong. It's definitely stronger than my last run was at this point in the run, so I feel pretty good. We're on depths 1. There's the blind. Ooh, a good active item maybe. Does it matter? Is it 50-50 whether it's the dark horse or the light horse, or is the light horse only conquest maybe? Dark horse? A pony! I pretty much love this item, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Even though we already have flight, right? Yeah, we already have flight. Need some damage, but yeah. Yeah, besides the damage part, it's pretty decent. It's based on the boss itself. I believe you are right. The white boss gives the white pony, exactly. Yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense. Too much sense. Chariot or hermit. Oh wait, I could void the leftover item in there too. That's an idea. Hermit, chariot. I guess I'm not gonna do either one of those. I'm just gonna leave this room and fly north. Like so. Y'all probably already know this, but the ponies, you can just use the ponies to just get out of there. Get out of the curse room without taking any damage. It's so nice. Super? Secrets? We got
black room.
Things we don't care about, I'm pretty sure. We got stats we don't care about. But every stat is important, right? Every stat is equally important. What a bunch of bullshit. Actually, yes. Abel can shoot some homing tears and do his little tick tick ticks of damage back there. I guess. I honestly can't believe we didn't take damage in there, but I'm happy about it. This... Ew. Ew. Every stat is important when it is needed, I guess. What's the least important stat? Range. Am I right? Sometimes range is important too, I guess. Just always disappointed when the stat up is range. That's kind of... That's a plus 1.3 damage. Okay, I'll take that. That's pretty huge. Luck is pretty bad stat up, but it can be really good with the right build. I mean, like, Holy Light and so many other tier effects are based on luck. Don't be sleeping on luck there, boss. I can't have you talking about it like that. And what are you? What does the upside down chariot do? It does turns Isaac into an invincible mobile statue, extreme fire rate. Yeah. Oh my god, what is this room? I have never seen this room. 2 Ultra Greed fights and gold hearts laying all over the place? What? What the frick is happening? What? How'd you hit me? I was hiding. Oh, that's not a skull, dummy. I have definitely never seen that room. That was weird. You've seen it once? It must be newer. I know they keep adding things. I don't really need to do this. This is Mom. Feeling pretty good about things. I think we can just go. My shield. Something good. Not really very good for us right now, but we'll take it for maybe later. What's up, Rishan? How you doing? Good to see you, buddy. Hi. That comment in your name feels especially a lie these days. Why, you think I'm an exceptional or special in some way? Please go on. Reverse chariot and rock bottom. Dude, just rock bottom and give me rock bottom and then I'll take care of it from there. You know, I don't even ask for more than that. I'll rock your bottom. What? Fictitious. Why would you say that? You prefer Pop over... isn't it just the combination of those two together is just like the interestingness starts happening? Where they pop together and stick together and whatnot? And definitely how the game crashed on me like 100 times when I tried to beat the beast with a combination of those two things. That was fun and interesting. Rah. Bam. Back away, carefully. Whatever the item is that the vein item that's making them explode into ears when I kill them, It might be more of a hindrance than a help, in my mind. Sometimes it's helpful, and sometimes I'm dodging right into their shots because I think...
Thank you for the raid.
I think their shots are not my shots. Ash, get out of here with this. I'm just doing a little sleepy stream. No, you can't do this right now. I'm sorry, everybody. You gotta go bye-byes. Listen, I'm not a good streamer. I'm just here playing Isaac and stuff. I'm not a good streamer. Hi, my name is Kevin if you want to stick around. But yeah, thank you for the muffins. Oh my god, they're delicious. What flavor are these tonight? What are these? What are these muffins? Oh, love. Oh, you cooked these with love. Ash, thank you so much. Go follow Ash if you haven't already. Orion, hello. And Sky, hello. Alfina, hi. Greg Rocks, hello. Thank you so much for coming over with the raid. You were playing Plate Up tonight, weren't you? That game looks, I actually played like 2 or 3 hours of it, and it was pretty fun. I feel like, you know, it is a little rough around the edges at times, but overall, like, it's a really fun game. Overcooked roguelike, like, how can you go wrong, in my opinion? Bring the muffins. Hi, Wolf Game. Hello, everybody. You are an amazing human being, and I think you're a pretty good streamer. Thank you so much. This is my first day back to streaming, and who knows what that means, because I don't know how often it's even going to happen. But I just want to say hello, and thank you so much, Ash. You shouldn't have, but thank you. Hi, Punk Rob. But yeah, hi. My name's Kevin, and we're doing a lot of Binding of Isaac. And other roguelikes sometimes too, but those will probably happen, I'm sure. But, you know, for now, it's just Isaac. We're right now on 3 wins in a row. Wait a second. We're on 4 wins in a row. Am I robbing myself? Hold on a second. I must fix this. We're on 4 wins in a row, not 3. Does Curse Room reroll Purity? I have no idea, Captain Kitten Wolf. How are you doing, by the way? Hello. I have no idea. Happens, it happens. Just know that you're appreciated. Hey, thank you so much. But yeah, that game is cool. That game is cool. What, do you like it so far? Sorry, not beta, not free demo. Right. Wait. What's your overall, like, view of this game? I should probably pay attention and not take damage, huh? But if I do take damage, I mean, they turn into golden statues, so maybe it's a win. I'm looking for X-Rocks. I'm seeing no X-Rocks. We go in the room. Yes, yes. We had this giant laser, holy light laser beam of death, and now it's just a tiny little short laser beam of a lot less death. Because I ruined it by picking up a certain item. I had no idea in my defense that it was going to do this. Because I don't know anything anymore. Do your thing. Do your thing, Fred. And we get coins. Great. A lot of useless items. Yeah, but so I agree, a lot of useless items. I lost a C-section spirit sword run. Oh my gosh. Well, if you're the lost, you're always just close to death. Loved Overcooked. Yeah, Overcooked 1 and 2 are so good. Why don't pay attention and take damage? Switch it up on the game. Not let it know your next move. There might be something to that. That's a good point. Ash, I hope that everything in life is going swimmingly, and if it's not, then I hope that it starts going swimmingly very soon. And thank you again for your uncalled for generosity towards me. Hashtag not a real streamer, but hashtag can recognize real streamers like Ash. There was once a day when I was a real streamer, and that day might come again, but who knows. Hey, Alfina. Hey, I'm streaming, yeah. They're going as well as it can. Family drama with the loss of my grandmother. I'm so sorry to hear that. Were you close to your grandma? But just made made today a little harder? I got you. Dude, it's so wrong when there's family drama because of somebody passing away. It's so extra wrong, and I'm sorry. And I hope whoever's causing the drama shuts the frick up real soon. Hey, free Bible effect. That's true. I guess we could use that on the boss fight, because we are on that floor, aren't we? Fictitious is really the MVP. Oh my god, I just got hit again. Say what now? Okay, now I should pay attention, huh? I'm the drama. Oh, you're the oh. Okay, no, that's not true. Therefore, real streamer. Okay, fine, Alfina, if you want to pull out that logic on me. Yeah, no, you're not the drama. They are still the drama. You are living your best life as best as you can, and they sound like they're miserable. So, fuck that. Should we take that? I guess I just took it, so yeah. My coming to the funeral is making a scene. Oh my fucking god. I don't want to be part of this world anymore. Yeah. I'm sorry. I am so sorry that that's happening. That sucks a lot of butt. But I love you, and I wish that your family wasn't the way they are, apparently. That part's just ugh, yeah. Wait a second. This is the one, the devil, right? I picked up the right card. Activates the Bible. So we can just walk in here and just, oops, wrong button. We can push that button and win the fight. Oh, hell yeah, we can. Yeah, I think we take both of these. Ooh. I don't want to step on those spikes, though, I don't think. We'll take, yeah, both of these. Conjoined, okay. Do we shoot 3 lasers? 1 laser! No, I knew we were only gonna... I knew that was gonna be the case. Tater after dark. No, I don't know. I don't think that's what's happening here, Raz, but hi, Raz. It is after dark, though. I forgot that that item insta killed it. Yeah, if you have the Bible, it just activates the Bible effect. So, yeah, it does. It's so cool. I'm not meaning to trauma dump. In 24 hours, I've already forgotten about it. Good. Brush it off and move on. No, you're not trauma dumping at all. I don't feel like that at all. You're just being real. We're just having a conversation about some things. Yo, I got the things working. The sound effects are working again. And hopefully they're loud enough. That one's always kind of quiet, though. Did I take damage? I better not have. I'll be pierced. Ooh, magician. Nice. A silent. Wow, it wasn't silent! Don't blow up next to me, please. It works. Yes, indeedy. Dude, I saw that coming and I just stood there and let the pink...
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
Yikes. I just let that pink ball just run right into my face. Maybe I liked it. Oh no, my thing's not charged up. What am I doing in here? I guess? Will it get rid of my bone heart? It didn't. I could teleport out of here and not take damage. Gosh, I'm so stupid. I should have waited until my... Oh, there's a secret room next to it. Never mind. That's right. We just did this. I forget it because my map is hidden. We're good. No, your boner stays. You're damn right it does. Oh, it has like nothing for late night gas station fast food. What do you have in redacted state? Oh, here in Ohio. For late night? Dude, are you against fast food? Are you against Taco Bell? Or are you asking specifically for gas station stuff? Oh my god! That would have been so unfair. He almost hit my face. Yeah, Sheets. Sheets is so good. Your Taco Bell closes at 11. It's unreal. Dude, out here where I live, our Taco Bell is open, I believe, until 3 or 4 a.m. So, yeah, you better get your ass out here. It's a big selling point for this place. That's ridiculous. I could never live in a place where the Taco Bell closed at 11. Dude, they used to be like the 4th meal king. I'm not having 4th meal until at least 1 a.m. Because I'm a normal person. In the manger. I'm already booking. Yes. Make Ohio cooler. What? What was over there? Oh my god, there's too much shit on the screen for me to pay attention to all of this. Okay, that one was my fault. That was my fault. Don't touch the fire. Oh god, get out of here. Cheats looks amazing. It is amazing. I'm sort of tempted to hang on to this Hierophant in case we... Does that make any sense? In case we die? Not really. So let's just use it. Because I have the 9 lives. Oh, come on, stop it. Let me out. Sometimes you get hit randomly and I don't know why. Well, it couldn't be my... It's definitely not my fault. That's all I want people to know. If you complain at the game long enough, it might just give you back your HP. Yeah, okay, well, let me know how that works out. Alright, here we go. We're doing it. This is gonna be bad. I'm hoping with... What's it called? Ah! With the magician, it's not as bad. Oh my god. Whoa! No! I love how the beam of light is bending, though. That's super cool. Oh boy. Did I do it? Did I do it? I did it! We're so close to winning, yes. Mysterious liquid, heck yeah. And I guess I'll take all of the rest of these for shits and giggles and then use the Emperor card that I've been hanging on to since like the 2nd floor of the game. Yikes. These are some pretty awesome looking tiers, I have to say. Nice, 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 nice. No! Da 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 da!